want to egg it on.
Get him, Kilo.
Can we get some egg?
Kilo, get him. Get the boy. Get him, Kilo. Go get him. Get him. Get that nigga. Yeah, Kilo. Get it. Get it. Get it. Go get it. Go get it, Kilo. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it, Kilo. Get it. Get it in. Get it where it fits.
I don't want it.
You know he does not understand that, right?
Bringing doggy style to the next level, brother.
Oh my god, brother.
Don't split, buddy.
His balls are just slapping
I'm
against.
saying, honestly, real motherfucking talk. You rape his cuddle afterwards.
Kilo does have the touch of a rapist.
Oh, get the fuck off me, dog.
He's trying to get the fuck off. Alright, oh my god.
We're good. Ain't my shit.
You might have beat me in ping pong, but Kilo totally just raped your ass. Kilo, say what's up to the camera, Kilo. Kilo. What's good, motherfucker? What's good?
What's better not be on YouTube later. My pride's gonna be shaking.
In my shirt. You got raped in my shirt.
My motherfucking...
Get him, Kilo. Get him, Kilo.
As opposed to the rest of the universe is gonna feel like, what the fuck you doing, motherfucker?
Oh, you kiss him? You kiss him after? You kiss him after sex? You're so gross. You kiss him with that mouth? Oh, God.
And they called it puppy love.
That's so good.
Got that one.
Yeah, that's just going on YouTube for
Dude,
sure.
that motherfucker jizz on me for real, did he?
He might have.